Schlage Keypad locks beep for various reasons. Understanding the beep pattern helps diagnose issues quickly. Short beeps often indicate low battery. The lock beeps every 30 seconds to warn you. Long, repeating alarms signal incorrect code entry or potential security breaches, like too many wrong attempts. Newer Schlage models send notifications to your smartphone via the Schlage Home app, helping you identify the cause of beeping remotely. By recognizing these beep patterns, you can diagnose and address lock issues promptly. First, try replacing the batteries immediately. If the alarm is triggered by an incorrect code, enter the correct user code or master code to disarm the lock. For app-connected models like the Schlage Encode Plus, use the Schlage Home app to mute notifications and silence alarms remotely. Check the keypad for stuck buttons that might be causing false alarms. Excessive beeping can result from oversensitivity. To adjust the lock's sensitivity, enter programming mode by pressing and holding the Schlage button until it beeps, which usually takes 5 to 10 seconds. Once in programming mode, use the programming code sequences from your user manual to adjust the sensitivity settings. Lowering the sensitivity can prevent false alarms caused by minor disturbances like vibrations or wind. For the Schlage BE365 model, adjusting sensitivity can significantly reduce unwanted beeps. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, start with a soft reset. Remove the batteries for about 30 seconds, then reinsert them. After reinserting the batteries, enter a known working user code. This often clears minor glitches causing persistent beeping. If you can't recall any of the user codes, move on to a full factory reset. A factory reset will erase all codes and settings, returning the lock to its default state. To perform a hard reset, hold the Schlage button while powering on the lock by reinserting batteries. Then enter the reset code, which is often found in the user manual or on a sticker inside the battery compartment. Note that this will require you to reprogram all user codes afterwards. Now let's troubleshoot some common issues with your Schlage keypad lock. Moisture can cause malfunctions. If you live in a humid climate, ensure the lock is properly sealed. Check for any obstructions around the bolt and strike plate. If using the app, ensure it's updated to the latest version, as firmware updates often address bug-related beeping issues. Also, verify that the batteries are correctly installed and are the correct type AA alkaline. These steps should help resolve most common issues with your Schlage lock. To prevent future beeping issues, replace batteries annually, even if they aren't fully depleted. Regularly clean the keypad and check for wear and tear. Consider enabling beepless mode if your lock supports it for silent operation. Annual resets, as recommended by Schlage engineers, can help maintain optimal performance and prevent accumulation of minor errors. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and the lock continues to beep, consult a certified locksmith. Locksmiths from the Associated Locksmiths of America can diagnose hardware issues or offer advanced programming solutions. Attempting complex repairs yourself can void the warranty, so professional assistance is often the best course of action for persistent problems.